Big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends. Happy Friday to everyone out there. A lot of people are asking me that why I'm not talking about William Brothers, because so many things are going on social media, and a lot of people are saying that William Brothers said that they are not ready for Ghana. They want to focus on their club side and all that. And guys, one thing, sometimes when something is going on in social media, I do not just want to conclude and listen to people or watch some video and get come here, sit down to say something that I do not really have evidence. And moreover, some few people are asking me about my social media handle and all that, Instagram, Twitter, and all that, and how I create YouTube as well. So I'm going to clear that a little bit to you guys as well. So let's start the camp of Iñaki Williams. A lot of people saying that William are not ready for Ghana now, and a lot of people are tweeting. So many people are saying about what they know. I can sit down here to confirm to you that anybody that said William Brothers are not ready for Ghana, it is a big lie, and you can take that from Awini Unity platform. Me personally spoke with William this morning just to know how the truth, and according to Iñaki William, he did not know anything about that. Those who are saying that he's not ready for Ghana, he's not ready for this, he doesn't make any comment about those things. So I can sit down here and confirm to you that anybody that said William is not ready to play for Ghana, it is a big lie, and that is not true. So you can take that from my Awini Unity platform. If you remember, about 4 months ago, I came out and I break it down to you guys that William Brothers will play for Ghana. And I wrote that it's a good news for Ghana, a good news for Black Stars. When William was speaking a little bit, a lot of people were saying so many things about this video. And I always said, in life, when you have patience, when it get to the time, you really know the truth. So life is about patience and time. So once again, anyone that's saying that William are not ready to play for Ghana and he doesn't accept Ghana proposal, that is not true. That is not true. It is absolutely, anybody that's saying this to you anywhere, say to the person that he doesn't know what he's talking about. You can take that from Awini Unity platform. And William Brothers went to Ghana. If I can confirm to you once again, if not because of the nationality suite and other stuff, not now that they are going to visit Ghana. They went to visit Ghana for family and also work on the nationality suite. So there are so many things that going on that I cannot just disclose a lot of things, but I can fully confirm to you that very, very soon you will see William joining Black Stars to the World Cup. Take it that from Awini Unity platform. And a lot of people asking me about my social media, guys. Honestly speaking, I'm not that kind of person like too much on social media, pushing things here and there or tweeting and all that. No, I'm not that kind of person. So maybe Facebook, yes, I have Facebook. I have Instagram. I have Twitter. Twitter, I get created, I think, 2 weeks ago or a week ago. And I don't remember the last time I visited there. And Facebook, sometime when I record video here, sometime I see on Facebook, sometime it takes long for me to even open Facebook. So I'm not that active on social media like that. But if you want to send me a message, you can send. If I try to check, definitely I'm going to reply you. So that is a little bit about me. When you are always asking about my social media, yes, I have it, but I do not really active. And Facebook and all Twitter, if you are not active, sometime it is not that much. Yeah, so that is what I can tell you about. And a lot of people asking me how I create YouTube. Some friends are asking me, and I want to clear that to you guys. The year that I created YouTube was 2021, when here was lockdown, and it was so terrible here. The lockdown was, I'm someone that, I always tell you guys I'm a hustler. So to sit down one place is something that I find it difficult to sit down one place. So the lockdown, that time we cannot go out, we cannot go anything. The law is that you can only go out to buy something and go back inside. So I was just sitting and I feel like, why I'm just sitting down one place? Why can't we use this to do something. So that is where I created YouTube back 2021. So if you are asking, yeah, that is a little bit I'm going to share with you. And I'm still learning as well. And what I want to encourage you as well, for me being here, I'm still learning about YouTube. I'm still learning about videos. I'm still learning about so many things. So guys, I want to encourage you as well. If you have something that you want to do not feel about, there is a lot of people have so many talent. And what I'm doing here, there is so many people went to school and doing so many things. But for me, it is the passion that I have about football. It is passion that I have about Ghana. So sometimes I sit down here without having any notebook or something. It is something that I'm passionate about. It is something that I love. So as I said I want to encourage you. If it's something you feel like something's in you, do not feel shy to come out. Let me tell you, there is a right people out there. Anytime you come out to do something, there is a right people that they will tell you what to do and what not to do. And through that, you will learn from the people as well. So if you have something in you, do not feel about what people will talk about or what people will criticize. What about the mistake if you do some mistake or something like that? If you are afraid of mistakes, you can't come out of your best. Those you are afraid, it will get a year, you will get like 50, 60 years, and you will look back of your life and you realize that those who you was afraid to come out, those who was criticizing you, they are not part of your life now when you have 60 years. So you will realize that you waste your time with necessary things. So I please tell you, if something in you, you know yourself, and everyone God created in this planet, all of us will have our own gift. And if you want blessing, you need to come out with your gift. That is the only way you will get what you want. So that's a little bit I have to share with you. Don't just want to start live with everything. For me being here, not that I know much about YouTube, but I'm someone that one thing that is helping me, even if someone is a very little, what I'm older than the person, what I have something then the person doesn't have. Further as I know that if I'm close to this person, I will learn some knowledge, I will learn something to improve my life. I always want to humble myself and learn from those who know more than me and those who have been there. Yeah, so this is a little bit things I wanna share with you guys. And yeah, big up to you, Sikani TV. Guys, go and subscribe to Sikani TV as well. The guy is doing a great job. We are always here to motivate each other and support each other. So one love.